Hi class, hello from the home office here in my new place. I just wanted to record a quick video to talk a little bit about the project that you're going to be doing throughout this class towards the final paper. So you're going to be interviewing a classmate about something that they know really well. This could be anything from going on cruises to operating a tractor-trailer truck. Whatever they have real life experience doing, you're going to interview them about it. And then you're going to write this up as a mini study. One of the things in your mini study is you're going to have to do a literature review. And some people get really confused because they're like, wait, I have to do a literature review on cruise ships? Like, what am I supposed to do? The point is that before you interview your person, you need to learn as much as you can about the topic you're going to be interviewing them about. So when they talk, you can add context or ask additional questions if needed to understand. Now, for some of these topics, you won't find academic sources. You're going to have to use Forbes, or you're going to have to use a newspaper article or something like that, or magazine. That's totally fine. You don't have to always use academic sources, but for this assignment, you don't need to at all. If you can find them, though, I would like you to try to use some academic sources. You are going to be also writing up your methodology, so you're going to need to understand how to use the method, and those will require some academic sources because there are many academic sources that talk about how to do phenomenology, how to do narrative inquiry, how to do case studies. The main thing, though, is you are going to want to shy away from things like ethnography, which means you have to observe a person or a group of people for a long period of time. Obviously, you're not doing that in this class. You're also welcome to just use basic qualitative research that Sharon Merriam talks about in her book, which is really the concept of basic qualitative research is you're going to interview someone, you're going to transcribe the interview, you're going to do line-by-line coding, then from your line-by-line coding, you're going to develop categories, themes, etc. Basically, this is going to teach you in a little mini way how to do qualitative research. And it's going to include transcription, and you're going to have to transcribe a 15-minute interview. And that can be time-consuming. You may even want to get special software. It is important that you record your interview so that you can also listen to it and transcribe it. There are many ways to do that, depending on what you use. Back in the day, I had to just put my phone on speaker and record it with a recorder as I was talking. That wasn't always the best way, but it worked. Now we have all kinds of other ways to record conversations, and you can even do a Zoom interview where you can see the person. The main thing is to keep anything you have confidential in the standpoint of you're going to be publishing the results of this study to me only. So it's going to be confidential. I already will know the student you're interviewing, etc., etc. But if you record the person in any method, as soon as you've turned in your final paper, you must delete that recording. That's to get confidentiality, to data standards. Normally we keep the data for 5 years, but in this case, you're just going to want to delete it as soon as class is over. If you have any questions, let me know, and enjoy the week.